Okay guys, I'm Daniel from Dash22 and on my channel I make boxes, beautiful boxes like this. You can also look me up on YouTube for the full version at Woodworking with Dash. But these I was going to show you some of these boxes that I make today. They're great little boxes and every one is unique. So let's get on with it. The first box I'm going to show you today is what I call the cube box. It's a very striking looking box, this, and the cubes are the lids to the box. So they all come off, and that's the inside where you keep your rings and your earrings. Very cool. And it's made out of 6 different timbers. We got Queensland fiddleback maple, great looking timber. We have Jarrah, an Australian very hard timber, red timber. We have Blackwood, another Australian timber, comes from Tasmania. We got American maple, the white timber, cool timber, that timber. And last of all, we got the big one from Africa, Padauk, the orange looking timber. And that just goes to make up the box. Very unique, isn't it? Really cool. Okay guys, this box is a double stacked jewellery box, the traditional form. I've rounded over all the edges, so all the edges are modded, every one of them. And it's got an inlay of Australian red gum, and the main box is made out of Australian dassh, and the surround is made out of timber called heaver. And I've got a red interior there, with a lift out tray, and a red bottom. So this box is your standard sort of box, but it just pops, doesn't it? It really does pop. Anyone would be happy with a box like this. Just a great looking box, isn't it? It's very tactile. All I want to do is rub it. Move on to the next box. The next box is just a small box made out of one timber, Australian Blackwood. Have a look at the luster on that. The chocolate brown colour just pops, And I got a redwood interior and a black bottom. And I rounded over the top ends and put small feet on it. It just really pops. This Blackwood is a magnificent timber. Magnificent. Let's move on to the next box. Now this is a fairly big box. It's a double stacked jewellery box made out of Australian Jarrah at the bottom, inlaid into the top. The surrounds of the top are showy top pine. They come from Tasmania. Great looking timber. The legs are made out of showy top pine and European rosewood tops. I've got a white interior with the pine trays, top pine trays. It's a double stacked jewellery box, as you see. Man, this one is one of my signature pieces. It really is one of my best boxes, I think. Really cool. Let's move on. Different box altogether now. We have a box with box joins made out of dassh, a Fijian mahogany top with a resin inlay. Doesn't that just look great? It looks really good, doesn't it? And it's a what I call a stack and a half. So we've got half a box on top, the slides, and a bottom compartment. So doesn't that just pop? Look at that. It just is that box. I like it a lot. Let's move on. Okay guys, another stunning box. Very long, but look at that. It was inspired by those Russian Padauk dolls. You know, the dolls that fold up into each other. So these are just canisters that go from the top, going right down to the very bottom. And they've all got lids on them. So you can hold your jewellery box around or anything. The timbers in this box are, from the centre moving out, sassafras black heart. You can see the black heart stripe down there, from Tasmania. Western red cedar, European oak, Fijian kauri, and ash on the end. And they've all got ash tops with blackwood, little blackwood handles. That's just it in a bit, isn't it? Look at that, it just really pops. Okay guys, thanks for watching. Please follow on Dash22 or subscribe to Woodworking with Dash on YouTube. And we'll see you there. See you guys.